Namaste everyone. Wish you all wonderful positive energies. Wish you all happy Ganesh Chaturthi. May Lord Ganesha removes all the obstacles from your life and pave you the way to success, health and happiness forever. I hope you all are practicing Viloma Pranayam which was posted last week. So in that pranayam, I had shown two steps of the pranayam. So this is now the next step. So after a practice of couple of days or couple of months, you will obviously improve on your capacity. And then now the third step, try this also. So in first step, what we were doing was inhaling with the interruptions, with the pauses, hold the breath and exhaling smoothly. Second step was inhaling smoothly up to 8 to 10 counts, then hold the breath and exhaling with the pauses. Now, this in this third step, what we will be doing is we will be inhaling in the with the interruptions and also exhaling with the interruptions. So, what we have to remember is after one round, we have to go for normal breathing for few seconds and then the second round. So, like that. Also, in between the inhalations and exhalations, we will be holding the breath for the time as much as possible for you right now. And then with practice, you will improve on that holding time as well. So sit with back straight, shoulders roll back and down, hands on your knees in Chin Mudra or Prapti Mudra. Only the thing is you have to remember that it should be facing upwards. Now close your eyes, lengthen your spine. Take 5 long and deep breaths first. Inhale and exhale out. Inhale and exhale out. Inhale and exhale out. Try to establish the connection with your breath while doing this. Inhale and exhale out. One last time. Inhale and exhale out. Now I'm demonstrating how to do the third step of Viloma Pranayama. So inhalations with pause or interruptions. You can either go with 3 or 5 parts of the inhalation. So inhale, inhale, inhale fully. Hold your breath till the time it's possible for you. Now exhale little bit, little more, and exhale completely. So this was one round. Obviously, it can be little more deeper and little more slower also. And after completing one round, just take a pause with normal breath for few seconds. May it be 3 seconds, may it be 5 seconds as needed by your body. Again, inhale, inhale, inhale fully, hold your breath. Exhale little bit, little more, and exhale completely. Take a pause with normal breathing. So this like this, you can practice 5 rounds initially, then you can increase it to 8, you can increase it to 11, as comfortable and as growing with the practice. So now once you are comfortable with the three parts of inhalation and exhalations, you can also try for 5 like this. So sit with back straight, obviously. Inhale, 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 inhale fully. Hold your breath. Exhale little bit, little more, little more, little more, and exhale fully, completely. And take a pause. So you can also try like this with five uh, inhalations, parts of inhalations, and five parts of exhalations. So remember that you can have a little control over your breath with use of your abdomen. But then again, it also depends on your practice. So please practice it regularly and let me know about the feedbacks, about your experiences. I'm waiting for your comments. Please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, Arogyam Dhanasampada. Thank you so much. Wish you all wonderful positive energies again.